And my name is David. I will be your guide for the next hour on these 3 lakes and 2 canals, as together we explore the secrets of a place that we call Winter Park. And we start off here on Lake Osceola for a couple of good reasons. Number 1, this is where our town began. Number 2, this is where the dock is conveniently located. So that really works out nicely for us. Now the name Osceola comes from the famed warrior leader of the Seminoles. His people used to camp on these shores long before there was a Winter Park. We actually didn't get started as a community until the year 1881, when the streams that ran between the lakes, they turned them into canals with a little extra work, digging deeper and wider. And their plan was to just pump the logs in and watch as they floated to a sawmill, which used to sit on the next lake. Well, that wasn't going to happen. Look at the current. It's slow, but it's steady, and it goes this way. They wanted to go that way. Whoops, what do we do now? I hope you make it to the Morse Museum on Park Avenue, the world's most comprehensive collection of Louis Comfort Tiffany's works, including a whole chapel that is... This is Rollins College off to our right. It is the oldest in Florida. This is a place where you can stop and plop down on those chairs. Those are actually benches. They're actually shaped like boat benches, I guess, little artwork. Here you can take a look at the lake, contemplate it, or the latest in Spanish architecture. This is Lakeside, 400 beds. A live oak tree. This one is full of something called Spanish moss, which is a total misnomer. Noah's de España, it's not from Spain. Noah's musco, it's not moss. The truth or the secret is it's a bromelia, which puts it in the same category as, get this, piñas, pineapples. Do not put it on Hawaiian pizza. That stuff is controversial enough. Take a look to the left. You've got these orange clusters of flowers. That's called a pagoda plant. And if you're on the right side of the boat, here's your chance for disappointment. First the frog, and now the owl, right? This is a banana tree. Up until about 2 months ago, bananas hung much lower right there. But somebody grabbed them, which means we had to discontinue our snack tours. Maybe next season. This is bamboo. It is not native to Florida, but it grows very well here. The joke is plant it and run to the house before it catches you. It grows almost that quickly. Little duck here, and a bigger one coming up. But before we duck under Osceola Avenue, look above it. You have 2 flowering trees, but 3 colors working up there, left to right. Bougainvillea, red. Golden rain tree, gold. Golden rain tree, pink. The golden rain tree goes through a stage. First it's yellow or gold, and then it turns pink or copper. Let's go back to the red. What you see up there are not actually flowers. Nope. The secret is they're actually leaves which have changed color, like a poinsettia plant does. They're called bracts. B-R-A-C-T-S. These things above our head, these are called pipes. P-I-P-E-S. Remember that? So whatever you did last time, an encore is required. Now we can stretch our necks and look up and to the left at the tallest, oldest live oak in Winter Park. It's said that it's older than the United States. Okay, this is probably the prettiest part of our tour. This is the Venetian Canal. It winds right through people's backyards, giving us a slice of clear park life you cannot experience on this shoreline. The two homes that flank the entranceway, both James Gamble Rogers designs. That one hosted a Nike commercial years back. The statue was not featured. Some of the drivers refer to that as southern exposure. And sure enough, we're headed due north into the canal. There's some bananas. That's actually what they look like before they get to Publix, if you've ever wondered. Right up there. Red sister to the left with the long tongue. Nothing is impossible. Over here, the red berries, or purplish red berries, are called the American Beauty Berry, or the French mulberry, your choice. It is on our map, but you might have trouble spotting it because it's so tiny. It's like 4.5 acres. It's called Craft Azalea Garden, and that's really the secret, the azaleas.
This is where I tried to distract you away from all of this.
That is our Christmas tree. We do not own it, but we do decorate it every December. And Mother Nature's job is to take the ornaments down during hurricane season. Here is an anhinga or snake bird. See him swimming over there? Looks like a snake. It's actually a bird. When they hear their name, they duck down. At least they do that to me. He may bring up a fish, and the way he eats it is he works it around his mouth. There he is over there. He didn't catch it. Fred Rogers is the name, Mr. Rogers. That was Mr. Rogers' neighborhood back in 1951 when he graduated from Rollins. So when he used to sing, "It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood," I'm convinced he was talking about that place. What do you think? It's still a beautiful neighborhood. It puts us in our 84th year, and it means we are the oldest continually operating tourist attraction in Florida.